pretty sure I'm Italian, and so I am going to make Maltagliati, which is poorly cut pasta. Check out my other video for the dough. So I just used flour, all-purpose flour dough for this. Keep it in a bag so it doesn't dry out. So, just cut a chunk off, put the rest in the bag. And I'm going to use a pasta machine. Works with a rolling pin too. If you're using a pasta machine, start at 7 and work your way down to the size you want. For this pasta,
how should I do this? What's the best way here?
for this pasta, I'm going to do it at about a 5 on my machine, which is kind of thicker. That's 6. One more. Oops. 5. Put the flour down. Poorly cut pasta to just start.
Do you realize you're doing a pattern?
Here, better.
It just wasn't that poorly cut. It was pretty fancy.
Probably good. All right, a poorly cut Maltagliati.
Maltagliati.
Maltagliati.